Welcome to CGMA's matte painting course. If you want to become a matte painter, environment designer, or even a background artist, having an understanding of matte painting is a great way to push your skills to the next level. From the old days of Star Wars, painting the scenes on glass, to now using digital mediums to deliver believable scenes and backgrounds, matte paintings is one of the most used techniques in the entertainment industry. In this course, you will go through the complex discipline of matte painting, utilizing many different skill sets. You will be primarily working in Photoshop. Using photography and combining them into your pieces, you will create skyscapes, landscapes, cityscapes, and seascapes, and create different design possibilities and lighting scenarios. Here's what you will learn. Week 1. Introduction to matte painting and the process of matte painting. Discussion on gathering reference and create a simple sky replacement in cloud extraction. We will be working primarily in Photoshop, exploring different designs and lighting scenarios. Week 2. Taking an existing plate, we will extend a shot, utilizing cloning techniques to remove unwanted elements and matching a plate. Then we will transform the shot into a Kerseyek day for night technique using adjustment layers and paths. Week 3. We will be using references to extract elements and color correct them. Lighting condition, foggy and overcast painting with a seascape theme. Week 4. You will start researching ancient historical locations and imagery to execute a painting by adding some form of history to your landscape piece. Lighting condition, sunlight day with a landscape theme. Week 5. We will start using references and/or 3D models to build your scene. Create a believable futuristic city. Research movies, books, and games. Week 6. We will create thumbnail sketches, exploring composition and design. Research and gather reference. Begin blocking and painting once you have selected a thumbnail. Week 7. Start your portfolio piece. You will continue building up painting from previous week. Work on whole area of painting, not just specific pieces. Week 8. Take the matte painting to a final. Try giving it those final nuances to make the painting sing. Add last bits of realism to your final matte painting. For the next 8 weeks, you will have the industry's best artist as your mentor, allowing you to rapidly improve your skills by having access to the industry's standard training and information in a one-on-one mentoring environment. Each week, you will have access to pre-recorded content that you will be able to access and review at any time, followed with a challenging homework assignment that will be reviewed weekly by your mentor, allowing you to master the skills needed to get into the industry. Once a week, you will also have a live Q&A session where you can interact with your mentor and ask any question. The live Q&A will be recorded and you will have access to it at any time. I really hope you enjoy this course, and the CGMA team is excited to see what you will come up with. Register today at cgmasteracademy.com.